In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly fix the issues with Modern Warfare 3, specifically related to high ping, packet loss, or packet burst. This can be a frustrating experience for players on both Steam and Battle.net platforms, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it so you can get back to gaming smoothly. First, let me start by mentioning that this issue often originates from the game servers themselves. Interestingly enough, the problem tends to appear more frequently on Steam versions compared to Battle.net. Switching to the Battle.net platform might offer a more stable experience, but if you're committed to staying on Steam, there are a few settings you can tweak to try and improve your connection. If you're using Steam, the first thing you'll want to do is head to the Settings menu. To access this, click on Steam in the top left corner of your screen. From there, navigate to Settings and then find your way to the Downloads tab. Once you're in the Downloads tab, be on the lookout for certain options that need your attention. Specifically, you'll want to ensure that any potential network interrupting settings are disabled. Look for settings that might affect your internet speed, like throttle downloads while streaming, as this could seriously impact your connection. While it ensures a high-quality Steam remote play experience, it can inadvertently slow down your game downloads and affect performance. So, to optimize your internet settings for gaming on Steam, disable anything that appears to limit your connection speed. Still experiencing issues? You might want to experiment with changing servers. For those of you on Battle.net, a different approach could offer a better result. Without having Modern Warfare 3 at our disposal today, we'll use Overwatch as a stand-in example. What you'll need to do is click on the globe icon in the Battle.net launcher, located toward the bottom left of your screen. This will allow you to select a server region that might work better for you. Options include Americas, Europe, or Asia. Give different ones a try and see if your packet loss improves on another region. Additionally, when you're on Battle.net, another essential tip is to dive into the Options menu, select Game Settings, and then go under Downloads. Here, you should ensure that the download limit setting is unchecked. Activating this option limits your game's download speed and can adversely affect your overall gameplay experience. So making sure it's disabled will help ensure everything runs optimally. By following these steps, you should be able to significantly reduce issues with high ping and packet loss while playing Modern Warfare 3. Remember, these settings can make a world of difference. Thanks for watching, and game on!